Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Beacons page affiliate integrations, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Beacons page affiliate integrations, start by logging into your Beacons account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Settings option on the left sidebar. Click on Settings to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find the Integrations tab and select it. This will take you to the Integrations Overview page. Here, you will see a list of available affiliate programs. To add a new integration, click the Add button, usually located at the top right corner. A list of supported affiliate programs will appear. Browse through the available options and select the program you want to integrate. Click on the chosen program to begin the integration process. You may be prompted to log into your affiliate account. Enter your affiliate account credentials to connect your account. Once connected, review the integration settings. Make any necessary adjustments to fit your preferences. After confirming the settings, click the Save button. To update an existing integration, located in the list of current integrations, click on the program name to access its settings. Make the necessary changes to the settings as required. To remove an integration, find the program you wish to delete. Click the Remove button next to the program name. Confirm the removal to finalize the process. Once all updates are completed, return to your Beacons page. Take time to review how the updated affiliate integrations appear on your page. Test the links to ensure they direct users correctly. Your affiliate integrations are now updated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.